Share and follow to support Florida Car Show at flcarshow.com.
Full Street 1969 Barracuda. Look at that. This thing is ready to race. Got the well wheels, big fatty fats under the back. Got the race seats, the full roll cage. Even got the net, catch you from flying out. This thing is ready to race. You line up with this thing, get ready, man. If you're a Mopar lover like me, you see a hood like that come up on you, throw it in low, baby, throw it in low. Don't forget to follow, click the link above. See you on the next Florida Car Show.